Hello and welcome back. We're just continuing on in the book. Looks like today we're doing puzzle number 193. If we start with this row, we're missing 1, 2, and 7. We've got 1 and 2 here, so this is our 7. 2 here, so 1, 2. For this box now, we're missing 4, 7, and 9. We've got 4 and 9 here, so this is our 7. I don't see any other help. So 4, 9, 4, 9. For this column, we're missing 2, 3, and 4. We've got a 2 here, so 3, 4, no help here, 2, 3, 4, 4 here, so 2, 3. For this box, we're missing 3, 5, 6, and 9. We've got a 6 covering these two boxes and a 6 covering these two boxes, so our 6 must be here. We've got a 5 here, so 3, 9. No help here. 3, 5, 9, and same here. 3, 5, 9. For this box, we're missing 1, 2, 3, and 4. We've got 1 here, so 2, 3, 4. 1 and 2 here, so 3, 4. And just the 2 here, so 1, 3, 4. So that means the only place the 1 can be in this box is here. The only place the 2 can be is here. For this column now, we're missing 3, 4, 6, and 8. We've got a 6 here, so 3, 4, 8. 3 and 8 here, so 4, 6. 6 and 8 here, so 3, 4. Now the only place the 8 can be in that column is here, and the only place the 6 can be is here. For this box now, we're missing 3, 4, and 6. We've got 3 and 4 here, so this is our 6. 3 here, so 4, 3. For this column now, we're missing 1 and 5. We've got a 1 here, so 5, 1. For this row, we're missing 4 and 5. We've got a 4 here, so 5, 4. That 4 makes this our 9. That 5 and that 9 makes this our 3, 4, 3, 4. And let's do some cleanup. Oh, that 3 makes this our 9, 4. That 3 and 9 makes this our 5. And now we can get rid of this 4. For this row, we're missing 2, 4, and 7. We've got a 4 covering here and a 4 covering here, so our 4 must be here. I don't see any other help, so 2, 7, 2, 7. For this column, we're missing 3 and 8. We've got a 3 here, so 8, 3. That 3 makes this our 2, 3. For this column, we're missing 7 and 8. We've got an 8 here, so 7, 8. For this box now, we're missing 1 and 6. We've got a 6 here, so 1, 6. For this box, we're missing 2, 7, and 9. We've got 2 and 9 here, so this is our 7. That makes this our 2, 9. And that 2 makes this our 7. For this row now, we're missing 1 and 5. We've got a 1 here, so 5, 1. For this row, we're missing 5 and 6. We've got a 5 here, so 6, 5. For this column now, we're missing 8 and 9. We've got a 9 here, so 8, 9. For this box now, we're missing 2 and 8. We've got an 8 here, so 2, 8. And for this box, we're missing 1 and 2. We've got a 1 here, so 2 and 1. And there we have it for today's puzzle. Thank you so much for joining me again today. I hope you have a really good day, and I will see you back here again tomorrow with our next puzzle.